Amanhã eu vou dar um ciclo, mano. Steve, vem, pô. Vem, pagar, pô. Tem muito que ir aqui. É, mas. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
I'm Joel. You guy? You come from?
England.
Yeah. What part in England?
Near Manchester.
You're not Manchester.
No, Manchester United. I don't do football.
What do you do? What sport you like?
Motorsport, TT racing, motorcycle.
Ah, okay. This one is nice. You're doing? You're practice?
Yeah, twice in the races on Ireland, in the Isle of Man.
Okay, you can remove your bag. You can keep your this. You have your mobile with you? Okay, I'm good. It's getting you?
Yep. Yeah. Can leave it there.
You can give me your mobile. I can take some pictures.
Perfect, thank you. No, this mobile as well. Yeah.
Okay. This one. Number. Up. Look here. Up.
Effie, up. Dan. Andy. Up. Mambo. Aku belum nak. Belum apa hari sana
Jadi. Don't move.
Ada apa muka sop? Apa Mambo?
Very lazy way.
Yeah, you know.
Muka sop? Ale. Minta dah kan dah. Dah, mati. Dah.
Look here. Look here.
Nandi and Rambo.
Ya, Nandi and Mambo. Salah pergi dah. Les jours bukan salah pergi dia travail. Les jours dah. Ouais.
C'est tout calme bien.
Ah ouais.
And so supporter to my order spaghetti.
Ouais, c'est spaghetti tu vois.
Non, mon enfant c'est petite manne ina hanna ki mon enfant c'est na mo pas enfant. Spaghetti là, ouais, spaghetti ou
spaghetti c'est dans sens.
Ouais, spaghetti ou non.
Hop,
pasta non.
Du tout?
Non, pas vraiment. Pasta là n'importe quelle chose à même pour. C'est mal ça.
Il trop persisté.
Turn your back.
Stand over.
And put it like this.
Ah, yeah.
High. Maximum.
Put it in.
So turn screw.
Okay. Nandi.
Mambo.
Bobo. Kita tahu semua. Mambo. Hey. Mambo. Aku yang buta kan. Just wait. Aku yang buta.
I'm telling you the guys. Every day you try to get the picture with Mambo. Never is coming. I don't know what happened today.
Pakai.
Okay. Good. Allez.
Put it.
Yeah. Put it. Ini rasa sesuatu.
No.
Okay.
Wow. Holy shit. Perfect.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Sorry about that.
Yeah, don't worry. Okay, you say
Very powerful.
You say a big thank you to these two boys. Has doing a good job.
Yeah.